video, we will be reviewing the updates to the availability page. You'll notice that the page has been updated to include the go-to date. This was previously named the Short Date shortcut, and it allows you to select a predefined date to start the search. In this example, if you select 3 months, you'll notice that the start date is 3 months from today's date. If you need to schedule an appointment with only one resource, you will select the resource or resources in the Resource 1 field. ToolTip has been added as a reminder that if you do not make a selection in the Resource 1 field, then the search results will return all resources that you have predefined in your user preferences. We've added a second resource field that will allow you to search the availability of 2 resources. This feature is called multi-resource scheduling. While multi-resource scheduling is available on the calendar today, the availability page allows you to search and book appointment times with both resources. While the Resource 1 field contains all resources, the Resource 2 field contains only resources that are not providers. If you need an appointment with a provider, you must select them in the Resource 1 field. Just a reminder that an appointment can have only one provider. The Resource 2 field will be empty until a resource is selected in Resource 1. I will now walk you through a few examples of scheduling an appointment with 2 resources. In the first example, I want to schedule an appointment with April Lewis and the A-Scan machine with an appointment type of Consult Existing Patient and a start date of today. When I click Search, results will display for when both resources are available at the same time at a particular location. When I choose the time, enter an appointment reason, and click the Book button, the appointment will appear on the schedule of both resources. When I open the appointment on the calendar, the Resources field contains the name of both resources. If you right-click and choose Reschedule with Availability, the availability screen will open with the 2 resources on the appointment. We will discuss what happens when there are multiple selections in the Resource 1 and Resource 2 fields. If I select more than one resource in the Resource 1 field, then the search results will display each resource on a separate line, as I'm looking for the availability of either resource. In this example, I'm looking for April Lewis or Ashley Connors. If I select one resource in Resource 1 and a resource in Resource 2, then the search will display the results when both resources are available on a particular day, Resource 1, Resource 2, the particular appointment type, and the location. In this scenario, both resources are available at 4:45 at Gulf Coast I. If I select one resource in Resource 1 and 2 resources in Resource 2, then I will see the availability of Resource 1 and then individually for either resource in Resource 2. So in this example, I see April Lewis and A-Scan, as well as April Lewis and X-ray. If you have multiple resources selected in Resource 1 and multiple resources selected in Resource 2, results will be returned for each Resource 1 and Resource 2 pairing. For example, I will see results for April Lewis and the A-Scan, April Lewis and X-ray, Ashley Connors and A-Scan, Ashley Connors and X-ray. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on multi-resource scheduling.